All right, this is going to be a follow-up to the GM specific NV4500 4x4 transmission replacement slash swap in my GMT 400 K3500 12 valve Cummins truck. I've got the transmission all set up and ready to go. Got the bell housing on it, as you can see. I've got the clutch mechanism, the throwout bearing, the correct input shaft, all ready to go. So what I ended up having to do is I did have to enlarge the two upper bolt holes in the case. These holes are 1/2 inch. I had previously installed this bell housing, at least I thought I did, and when I went to put it on yesterday, they were ever so slightly off, so I took a 9/16 carbide steel bit and just opened those holes equally up. The retainer bearing for the input shaft is what indexes the bell housing to the transmission case and to the back of the motor plate. So I'm good there. After doing that, I scribed and center punched the lower two holes. So you can see here, I've got stainless hardware in there. There's plenty of meat on the case of the transmission. So I'm comfortable with that. The retainer bearing is silicone and sealed, and bolts are thread locked. I use that green thread lock. I need to get that. I was going to show that. Here's the back side of the bolts. Those bolts are also thread locked. So we're ready to go. I'm going to use the tractor and a strap to hoist this transmission up and get it on the driver's side of the truck. Then I've got a piece of plywood, 3/4 inch, I'm going to put under the truck and use my new Harbor Freight transmission jack to get it positioned around. The goal is today is to get this truck back together by the end of the day, fluids in it tomorrow, and get it test running. I've got a job to do Thursday and Friday, so if everything goes good, I'll be able to use the truck and a trailer with the tractor to do that job. So that is the objective. And let's see here, this is a thread lock I use for anybody looking. This is in my opinion, better than red or anything else. This is this green compound 620 Loctite. And this is meant for, it's high strength. It's meant for, this type of application. I mean, it's not meant to install and try to be taken back out. That stuff locks down real good. So that's the update of where I'm at today. And the update on the transmission, the NV4500 GM specific 4x4 transmission for one of these trucks. And there you go.